protest rally आम्ही केली असायला. We have followed all the directives from the traffic police. We have allowed the traffic to go smoothly, and as a gathering we have arranged here. So we have to prove a point just so that the victim gets justice as fast as possible in Kolkata rape and murder case, in solidarity with the rest of the IMA and rest of the nation. Basically, so here we are stopping the rally, and we will be continuing our protest back in Goa Medical College here after this. So we will be going. Some of us will be going to the part of Plaza Vijay Parking. बाकीचे आम्ही बसून वयतले GMC भितर, and we will continue the protest there.
So this is nationwide.
This is nationwide protest. IMA has shut down all medical facilities, but Resident Doctor Association has been continuing the protest in the last 4-5 days. So, and we have joined them yesterday, and from yesterday we are continuing. So today this was our part, and we will continue the protest until the justice is delivered.
How long?
This we are in coordination with FORDA, MARD, and the rest of the organizations that are there, and we'll take a collective call on this, and we still stand in solidarity because we are not going to give up until the justice is delivered.
केन्ना पयलें रेज्यूम जातलें म्हटल्यार OPDs?
OPDs resume जावपाचे. It will start as soon as possible because we also want to go back to work, get back to
We are
work.
waiting for a national resolution. The central demand, we are not demanding it from a specific authority. When all the resident associations all over India unitedly decide that we can resume our OPD, the OPDs will be continued.
Okay.
This is a
Now-
national solidarity event.